In today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this 13x4 synthetic braided lace front wig from SHEIN.
Hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels, nails, hair, hips, heels.
Head, shoulders, knees, toes, don't know these hoes. Face, lips, eyes, nose, camera, click, we pose, beat.
What's up, everyone? I am 𝒷𝓁𝒶. Welcome back to my channel. If you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. I was trying to do something a little different, and I did. Don't judge me, because I kind of judged myself for a moment, but I had to click back in reality, and I had to be like, girl, you different. Just rock something different. I wanted a unit that had braids in it. Do they even have wigs that have like a braiding pattern in it? I was like, okay, let me look. I just wanted to look. I wanted to see. I found this unit on SHEIN, and I was so amazed at how it looked. It looked so realistic. It was like somebody really braided this unit, and it looks real. So I ordered it. I don't even know if this video gonna be good or not. I'm just going with the flow, y'all. The unit came in 2-3 days ago, maybe 2 days ago. Oh y'all, I'm so scared because I ain't never had a wig that was braided before. This is the first. This is the first. Let's look at her. I know what I ordered, and so far she is looking like what I ordered, okay? Ooh. Yo. Oh my gosh. This kind of a game changer, you know what I'm saying? Me, I am tender-headed. I'm very tender-headed, baby. I will cry. I will whine the whole time while somebody is braiding my hair because I'm tender-headed. It is what it is. But this, baby, this is gonna save a tear because I ain't gotta cry no more. I ain't even took it out the net. At that, y'all, I just love the way that they made it so small, and they ended up, yeah, let's take it out the net. Alright, so I ended up, ooh, look at them curls. Whoa, look at the color, look at the color, look at the color. This is beautiful. Okay. Woo. Really impressed with the braid. Like, they did so good with the braids. Look at this. Let's take these little clips out. Baby, she got baby hair. Whoop. Let's take this off and let's see. Yo, look. Y'all can't tell me this is gonna look real, okay? I'm excited. So she did come with 2 braids on the side, and this is good. Who braided this unit? Who braided this unit? So let's get into the details of this unit. The outside, y'all, as you can see, baby, she is curly. This is so pretty. She is an ombre color. She's like a dark brown to a more like a honey blonde. All right, so let's get into the details of the inside. She has 2 combs on the top. She has an adjustable band, and she has a comb in the back along with adjustable straps like this. I love the curls. The curls are so pretty. She is 28 inches. 28 inches. also ordered these beads that I want to put on the 2 braids that are on the side. And I also got these seashells or shells. These shells that I could possibly put in the braid as well. They're jewels that I could possibly put on the braids or maybe on the braid. To be honest, I'm not going to put all of this on those braids because that'll be too much. So I'll just try to figure out what I want to do later after I install this wig. Let's get this together. And normally I would just put a stocking cap on and be like, oh, that's it. No, baby, she's braids. Like, this is a braided unit. I need to make this look like this is coming from my scalp. Oh yeah, this is tight. Ooh, my lord. Anyway, I'm gonna use my got2b spray. Ooh. It's cold. I really just make sure that this is down. So country. Why you gotta be so country? I don't know, I'm from Mississippi. You already know what it is. So I'm gonna put my band on and I'm gonna leave it on for 10 minutes. Okay, so let's go. Yo. My melting spray, and I am about to make sure it's down. Ooh. Oh. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this stocking cap. Yeah, I cut the stocking cap all wrong. But you know what? I'm the queen of improvising, and baby, when I say I'm gonna improvise, I'm gonna improvise, okay? I'm not trying to go for perfection, baby. I'm just trying to put this dang wig on. If you're looking for someone who is perfect and that really knows what they're doing, you're on the wrong channel. Just saying, you're on the wrong channel. Okay, so I think that will be good enough. Ouch, what? Let me see what I can do here. Sure that this looks real. That's the goal, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I don't succeed, but you know what? I don't give up. I don't never give up. This is it. This is it, okay? Let's get the wig and let's work that out, okay? Let's go ahead. I want to put foundation, my liquid foundation on this, like that. Alright, so that is it. I'm done. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna force it. Oh, whoa, this is tight. Oh wow. Oh, okay. Let me fix this lace real quick. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's cute. It's cute. I'm gonna put this baby hair back and I'm gonna try to get this lace together. And then I can do like a half up, half down with this unit. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my melting spray and I'm gonna put it on this lace real quick. Who would have thought a braided unit would actually look decent? And I love these braids on the side. Ooh, this is cute. I love it. Let's cut the lace. It's 10, so I'm gonna do 5 over here, 5 over there. Yup. So it came with this inside, and I'm gonna put this on here. I'm gonna do 2 at a time. Is put your braid through here, and you just put the 2 in there, just like that. Let's see what the shells look like. It's kind of cute. It's kind of cute. Let me put it further down. So I think I should do a half up, half down look with this. These curls are cute. Even having it down like this is really cute. I like this.
She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in a deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the Fetty. And I'm back in his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knock. Baddest little bitch for my.
Okay, so let's get into the details of this unit. Absolutely love this unit. I was so afraid to get it because of the braids, and I'm thinking it's gonna look like a wig, but you know, overall it's cute. The braids, they're so neat, they're so nice. I did not cut the baby hair, but I did make sure that I kind of laid it down. I didn't have a method when it came to that. Overall, she is so full. Like, she's 28 inches. She is so pretty. Like, I have put nothing on it. Can you see the curls and how it looks? It's pretty. Baby, it's gorgeous, okay? This is literally a 10 out of 10. I really recommend this one. If you like this unit, all the information is going to be in the description box, so make sure you purchase this unit, okay? And if you like my video and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you know when I upload next. Thank you so much. Bye. She's your queen to be, and y'all saying Coming to America. I feel like her. She's your queen to be.
The things that you say, where they make you feel alright, and I catch a vibe anytime that I look in your face. Tell me why